Hello everyone, this is Gunjan Saluja. Hope you are all well. Now I welcome you all again to the Progressive Heights of Maths online classes. So till exercise 1.7 we have completed on Saturday. So let's start our next topic, that is representation of rational numbers on number line. Here we are going to learn how we can represent a given rational number on a number line. So let us take an example, 5 by 3. So from 5 by 3, it is not clear where we should represent it. So what we will do it, we will convert it into mixed fraction. जब हम इसको mixed fraction में convert करेंगे तो क्या आएगा 1 2 by 3, 3 1 जा 3, 3 plus 2 5, 5 by 3. अब 1 2 by 3 से क्लियरली समझ में आ रहा है कि जो ये वैल्यू है 1 2 by 3 ये 1 और 2 के बीच में आएगी. Okay, so we can write it as 1 is less than 1, 2 by 3 is less than 2. यहाँ से क्लियरली समझ में आ रहा है कि the value 1 2 by 3 is in between 1 and 2. So let's represent it. अब now the next question arises कि हम 1 और 2 को कितने पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे. In how many parts we will divide 1 and 2. तो क्या करना है, हमें यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर देखना है. इन डिनोमिनेटर इट इज गिवन 3. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड ईच सेक्शन इनटू 3 पार्ट, 1 and 2. सो वी गॉट 3 पार्ट्स, 1 2 and 3. ये हमारे 3 पार्ट्स हो गए. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट रिप्रेजेंटिंग इट. अब 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड हो गया है. दिस पार्ट विल बी 0 by 3, 1 2, 1 2 3, 0 by 3, this part will be 1 by 3, this part will be 2 by 3, this will be again 3 by 3. Look here, see, when we cancel 3 and 3 we will get 1, so our values are correct. Again 4 by 3, 5 by 3, 6 by 3. When we will cancel 6 by 3, we will get 2. Now, clearly we can see it कि हमारी जो value है 5 by 3, we got in between 1 and 2. So, this is our required answer. So, let us take one more example by taking the negative values. If you have understood it, that's good. Now let us take a negative value for representing. This is our number line, 0, minus 1, minus 2, so on. This is 1 and this is 2. So let us take another example, minus 5 by 2. We have taken minus 5 by 2. Again we will do the same procedure. We will change it into mixed fraction. अब mixed fraction में convert करने के लिए just divide 5 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 5 minus 4 1. We will get 2 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 2. From 2 1 by 2, it is clear that the value of 2 1 by 2 is in between minus 3 is less than minus 2 1 by 2 is less than minus 2. तो जो 2 1 by 2 वैल्यू है वो minus 3 और minus 2 के बीच में आएगी. minus 3. Again we will divide each part into 2 equal segments. One, 2 and 2. Now we want 2 1 by 2. So we will start from here. 0 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 2, minus 3 by 2, minus 4 by 2 and minus 5 by 2. You can see here 0 by 2, minus 1 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, minus 1, 3 by 2, 4 by 2, divide 4 by 2, you will get minus 2 only, minus 5 by 2. So we got our required value minus 5 by 2 here.